Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Ice Cream Maths Academy, where numbers and variables actually mean mastery. Yes. Now, before us here is a question that y is equal to ln x raised to the power of ln x, and we should get the value of the y all over the x. Now, in this case, yes, solution. Now, taking log, yes, logarithm of both sides. Yes, taking logarithm of both sides. It means here we have ln y is equal to ln, yes, ln, we have ln x all raised to the power of ln x. Yes, so in this case, ln y will be equal to ln x, ln in bracket ln x. Yes, so differentiating both sides. Differentiating both sides. Yes. Now when you differentiate ln y, it gives 1 all over y, then you follow up with the y all over the x. Yes, because we are differentiating with respect to x. Now this is equal to, now this is a product of two functions. Yes, you pick your v. V is ln x, then you find the y all over the x, and now use ln x. So that gives us 1 all over x. Yes, then plus, you pick this again, that's your u, ln x, then you differentiate this. Now this is a function of function. So you differentiate this, it will be 1 all over ln x. Yes, 1 all over this, then times the derivative of this function, which is 1 all over x. Yes, that will be 1 all over x. So at this point, 1 all over y, the y all over the x will be equal to, we have 1 all over x, ln x. Then here we have plus, we have 1 all over x. Yes, 1 all over x. Then we have ln x. Then all over this ln x here. Yes, times 1 all over ln x. Yes, so it means this ln x will go with this ln x. Yes, ln x will go with ln x. So we'll be left with 1 all over y. The y all over the x will be equal to 1 all over x ln x plus, here we have 1 all over x. Yes, 1 all over x. So the next step is to multiply through, yes, is to multiply through by y. Yes, when you multiply through by y, remember our y is ln x raised to the power of ln x. So it means here we have y in bracket 1 all over y, the y all over the x will be equal to y in brackets, we have 1 all over x ln x, then here we have plus 1 all over x. So this y will go with this y. We'll be left with the y all over the x will be equal to y. And our y is ln x. We have ln x raised to the power of ln x in bracket 1 all over x ln, we have ln x plus 1 all over x. Now looking at this 1 over x is constant. Sorry, it's common rather, not constant. So the y all over the x will be equal to 1 all over x ln x, yes, raised to the power of ln x in bracket ln x plus 1. Yes, so that is the y all over the x. So thank you so much for listening.